My recommendations for decreasing the occurrence of bullying in our school would be to use the bully prevention and positive behavior support from Ross and Horner. And what they present is stop, walk, and talk. The first part of it is that the teacher, the adult, would teach, model respectful behavior and disrespectful behavior. And then a victim would be taught to say stop and use a hand gesture if treated disrespectfully. And if you are observing someone being treated disrespectfully, you would step in, say stop, and escort the victim away. And then if this disrespectful behavior continues, then the adult would need to be contacted. And if someone says stop to you, discontinue your behavior, breathe, and go about your day. These would be the recommendations that I would make for decreasing the occurrence of bullying in our school.